Welcome to the Wheel Aura. Standing right in front of me is one of the most dramatic luxury coaches I have ever seen. This all-black machine looks like it rolled straight out of a superhero movie. The body is finished in glossy carbon fiber. The front end is sharp and aggressive. And those thin white LED headlights cut through the air like laser beams. A thin red light line runs across the front, and the big curved windshield gives the driver a perfect view of the road. The side mirrors are sleek and modern. Just looking at this front view already tells you this is not a normal motorhome. But I want you to stay with me until the end of this video, because later I'm going to show you something truly special inside this coach. A sleeping setup that comfortably fits 4 people in pure luxury. You will not want to miss that part. Now let's walk around to the rear. From the back, this coach looks even more powerful. The entire rear is also wrapped in carbon fiber. You can see the bold red LED taillights that form a unique design, a carbon fiber spoiler on top, and the EvaLive badge right in the center. Thin red light strips run along the sides of the body, lighting up the whole shape at night. The wheels are big and black, and the overall look is low, wide, and very expensive. This is the kind of coach that turns heads on any highway in the United States. Let's step inside through the side door and look at the living area first. The moment you enter, red ambient lights greet you from every direction. Long red LED lines run along the ceiling, under the cabinets, and around the furniture. On the right side, there is a long curved black leather sofa that can easily seat 4 or 5 people. Across from it are 2 comfortable leather armchairs. In the middle sits a modern glass-top coffee table that also has soft LED lighting underneath. On the left wall, there is a large flat-screen TV perfect for movie nights. Next to the TV is a small wet bar area with a sink, bottles, and glassware on open shelves. The floor is dark wood with thick, soft rugs. Large windows on both sides let in plenty of natural light during the day, and at night the red lights create a warm, high-end club feeling. This lounge is made for relaxing, watching TV, or just talking with family and friends while the coach is parked. Moving further back, we reach the kitchen and dining area. This kitchen is fully equipped for real cooking on the road. You have a deep sink with a tall chrome faucet, a smooth black cooktop, a stainless steel microwave built into the upper cabinets, and a tall full-size refrigerator and freezer. The cabinets are dark wood with carbon fiber accents and more of those glowing red LED strips underneath. Right in front of the kitchen is a proper dining table already set with 4 place settings: white plates, wine glasses, and silverware. 4 matching chairs with carbon fiber backs surround the table. A soft gray rug sits under the table, and large side windows give you a great view while you eat. This is a real kitchen where you can prepare full meals for the whole family, not just heat up leftovers. Now let's look at the outside one more time from a side angle. From this 3/4 view, you can really appreciate the long, flowing lines of the body. The carbon fiber skin covers almost everything. Thin red LED strips run the full length of both sides, and the big black windows are tinted for privacy. The front is still sharp and mean-looking with those bright LED headlights. This coach looks expensive from every angle, whether it is parked in a showroom or rolling down an interstate. Time to go to the bedroom. And this is the part I told you to wait for. Right in the middle of the bedroom sits a comfortable queen-size bed with soft gray bedding and a carbon fiber headboard that has red LED lighting around it. On both sides of the bed, there are nightstands with more red light accents. A small TV is mounted on the wall, and there is even a little sink and glassware area near the window. But look to the right side of the room. Here you will find 2 more beds stacked as bunks. The lower bunk is a full single bed with leather-like covering, and above it is another single bunk with its own red LED strip and carbon fiber frame. That means this bedroom gives you a total of 4 beds. The queen bed for 2 people, and 3 separate single bunks. 5 people can sleep in real comfort without anyone having to use the sofa. The whole room is finished in the same dark wood, carbon fiber, and glowing red lights. Soft rugs on the floor make it feel quiet and private. This is true luxury sleeping for a family or a group of friends. Next to the bedroom is the bathroom. Step inside and you immediately feel like you are in a high-end hotel. There is a beautiful stone vessel sink sitting on a dark counter with warm orange LED lighting underneath. A large mirror runs along the wall. In the center is a full glass-enclosed shower with dark stone tiles, a rainfall-style shower head, and a small seat. On the right side sits a modern black toilet with storage shelves next to it. Dark wood paneling covers the walls and everything feels solid and expensive. Thick towels are ready and the lighting is soft and relaxing. This is a bathroom you will actually enjoy using every day on the road. Finally, we come to the driver's area, the place where you control this whole machine. The cockpit is pure modern luxury. You sit in a thick black leather seat with red stitching and diamond quilting. The steering wheel is multifunction with buttons and a carbon fiber look. In front of you are multiple digital screens. The main instrument cluster is fully digital. There is a large central touchscreen showing the navigation map, and a lower screen for extra controls. Wood and carbon fiber trim surrounds the dashboard, and thin red LED lights run along the edges and under the console. The passenger seat is equally comfortable with the same leather and red stitching. Looking out through the huge windshield, you can see the whole showroom. Everything in this driver's area feels high-tech, clear, and easy to use, whether you are driving during the day or at night. This Evolive luxury coach brings together a striking black carbon fiber exterior, dramatic red ambient lighting throughout the interior, a comfortable lounge, a full kitchen with dining for 4, a real bathroom, a modern high-tech cockpit, and most importantly, a bedroom with 4 proper beds. It is built for people who want to travel in style and still have space for family or friends. Now I have a quick question for you. In the comments below, tell me which part of this coach impressed you the most. Was it the 4-bed sleeping arrangement, the glowing red lights, the full kitchen, or the sharp exterior design? I really want to know what caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next review.